Ethics, empathy, and respect are no longer side topics in street photography. Today, they sit at the center of responsible practice. Photographing in public spaces means working with real people, real lives, and real consequences. Understanding this is essential for anyone who wants to create meaningful and lasting work. Street photography has always existed in public, but public awareness has changed. People are more conscious of how images are used, shared, and interpreted. A photograph can travel far beyond its original context. Because of this, ethical responsibility does not end when you press the shutter. Ethics in street photography begins with intention. You must ask yourself why you are taking the photograph. Is it to tell a story, explore a theme, or express a genuine observation? Or is it simply to provoke, shock, or gain attention? Intention shapes impact. Empathy is the ability to imagine how your subject might feel seeing the photograph. This does not mean you need permission for every image, but it does mean awareness. You are not photographing objects. You are photographing people with dignity, struggles, and identities that matter. Respect in public spaces means recognizing power dynamics. A camera gives you control over representation. Certain groups are more vulnerable to misinterpretation or harm. Photographing people experiencing hardship, marginalization, or distress requires heightened sensitivity. Sometimes the most ethical decision is not to take the photograph at all. Ethical street photography also involves context. An image removed from its environment can easily be misunderstood. Thoughtful framing, careful editing, and responsible captions help preserve meaning. Avoid images that rely on stereotypes or reduce people to symbols. Cultural awareness is another critical factor. What feels acceptable in one place may be offensive in another. When photographing in unfamiliar environments, research and observation matter. Approach with humility rather than entitlement. Respect also extends to how you respond if someone notices or questions you. Calm communication, honesty, and willingness to listen go a long way. Defensiveness escalates situations. Empathy de-escalates them. The modern street photographer balances freedom with responsibility. The law may allow a photograph, but ethics ask deeper questions. Will this image harm someone? Will it misrepresent them? Will I still stand by this photograph years from now? Ethical practice builds trust with the public and strengthens the future of street photography as a whole. When photographers act responsibly, the genre remains sustainable and respected. Ultimately, ethics, empathy, and respect are not limitations. They are creative guides. They push you to see more deeply, think more carefully, and create work that holds value beyond momentary attention. Street photography done with empathy does not lose power. It gains meaning, and meaning is what allows photographs to endure.